We've got that email from a teacher. We've got the report card. And the parents were really, really, really good at blaming ourselves. I could have, I should have, I would have, but you don't know what you don't know. We feel guilty when our kids are struggling. We feel guilty that we didn't know that our 10th grader was not handing in. We always ask ourselves, what could I do? What should I have done? You're going with the best information that you have. So in a lot of ways, you gotta give yourself a lot of grace. And when you feel like something is wrong, again, we should trust our gut on that. But again, be patient with yourself. Be like, you don't know, now you do. Great. Let's get some support for our student. I always ring clear in my head for when I'm talking to parents or when I'm talking to my staff. And it's something from Brene Brown. And she said, clear is kind. What you're gonna get from Sylvan is clear. We're gonna say this is where the issues is. We're gonna give you the best recommendations possible, the best information to reach your goals, because we wanna be clear. Because we don't want you walking out and going, I should have known this. No, it's fine if you didn't. Again, you need to be patient with yourself. Well, we are gonna make sure that we are clear with you. Clear about what you can expect, how long the process is gonna take, so you don't have to have those guilty feelings anymore because you're gonna have the knowledge. And I really want you to know that it's because you care. It's not because you missed something. It's because you really care. And that's why you feel guilt, because you feel you care, you want them to be successful, and you think, I should have seen this earlier. They have been struggling. But now you figured it out. And we know that's caring.